Hey yo, it's Chriso. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, people. Yes, it's me that's doing the talking. I just put this back on my head. Before, if you watched my one beforehand, I had to change things around a little bit because in Australia a lot of bathrooms are matched lining, which means the lines on the walls go up off the floor. So if you've got a small cut on your floor, that gets transferred to your walls. So you must have big cuts if you can, or you work out your whole floor that you've got big cuts everywhere, because that gets transferred to your walls. Right, that's yeah, you know what I mean. Let's get the width of my shower, which is there. That's where my shower is coming out to. I'm going off the wall, so that's to there. Come out a little bit, give myself a little bit of wiggle room. Check that again. Right, it's that mark there, which is there. Which is there. So I'm now going from there to there. That's the width of my shower, and I need to come down the same as that. So I want to be a little bit, I want to be 20 mil out, because I don't want to be cutting my piece to nothing. So I'm sloping it like that. Let's just get that away a little bit. Still might find it easier with a wooden float, just to start with. That's good. Right, I'll make sure I've got a decent, in a minute I'll put a little bit wider track there so I know I've got a decent pad to screed off. And that's it, folks. So when I've got it done, from there to there, well, the tile goes on top, of course, but my finished height, that is the fall, which is about 13 mil. And 13 mil is absolute beautiful. It works out to another couple of mil more. It sort of seems to work out once I come up here. It works out to about 15 from there to there, which is nice. It's a nice fall. I like the strip drains because you've got a flat floor falling. That's the easiest way to explain it. I'll come back to you when I'm dragging that back. So the width of my shower is there. That's my fall line that I go off exactly like that. So I'll slurry up this now, throw down some neats, which means glue on top of water, and that'll stick my mud, whooshka, to the floor. I'll bring this back. The rest is easy peasy. It's 6x6 tiles. That is going to be flat out there. I'll be using my big level, so all I'll be doing is dragging it back, coming up to about here, and then coming out that way. See you soon.